Microsoft is proud to partner with the world's leading retail brands, like you. And when our partners are faced with challenges, we're here to help. We offer unique end-to-end support that connects your customers, your people, and your data to empower you to reimagine the next era of retail.
Most people know us as the yellow and blue, quirky Swedish home furnishing company.
One day I just heard in the corridor that Nadja has done something really great and tried something new within Teams. When Nadja presented this for me, she did it in a cost-conscious way. And what we have calculated in this store is that we could save 364,000 Swedish crowns, which is equal to 40,000 US dollars. Imagine how much we can save if we have this on all IKEA stores in the world.
Walgreens Boots Alliance is one of the world's largest companies focused on the community pharmacy.
There's two things that our customers are demanding of us. They want visibility into our inventory. They want to know what we have, and they want to know that they can get it how they want it.
Having our data now in Azure and being able to sort of combine that data much easier with other sources to work more on analytics.
This will enable us now to have our data in one place so that when we digest it, we'll have a single story to share that will allow us to make better decisions going forward.
Bestsellers worldwide fast fashion traders.
We have 2,700 stores globally.
In retail, there's a lot of fraud that's not caught.
The more efficient we can be on this, the more money we can save. Dynamics 365 Commerce can deliver that. It is one complete omni-channel platform covering everything from e-commerce to the POS. The cashier only have to scan the items and push one button and then it's done. The experience is much better to the customer. Also, we can do sales amounts that is enormous compared to what we did before.
Office Depot is both an office supply products provider as well as technology services provider. Teams enabled us to really drive the work from home culture. It's given us collaboration abilities across the company that we never had before. It helped us set up our curbside service and get it up and running in 48 hours.
We've been able to share video on mobile devices and have virtual walkthroughs of the store aisles where a general manager might point out an inventory challenge or call out an associate for outstanding customer service.
St. Michel Wine Estates, we're the third largest premium wine company in the United States. Dealing with COVID-19, we've had to change everything like every other company. Our industry is not dissimilar from others. It used to be 90% of the direct-to-consumer was through the wineries and 10% was via e-commerce. In the last couple of weeks, that has changed entirely. So there's 90% via e-commerce and 10% versus in-person at a winery. We were able to, within a few hours, completely change our distribution model.